Start now. All right, so it's December 24th, and you just got this box yesterday. And this is the Monopoly Siam Kempinski edition. So you can see it came from Bangkok and then forwarded to Nong Khai, and now we're gonna open it. If you're wondering why it's small, because this type of Monopoly is folded. So let's begin. Okay. So this one is about with postage. That is 1,795 baht. So that is about roughly around $70 and a bit more. So here is this. So this is a limited edition from Siam Kempinski. You can see that, and it plays. It's from for 8 years and above, and plays about 2 to 6 players. So we're gonna unbox this and see. So this is unlike what you get from Target and from other US retailers. Let me just grab that. So if you want it, please get in touch with Simon Kempinski. I will give you the email and their details later, and they will mail it to you. Doesn't matter if you're international, but we're here in Laos, so it does count as international.